From humble beginnings with a desire to serve the Dudley community, Bank of Dudley has grown to 5 locations, serving Lawrence, Twiggs, and surrounding counties. Serving our community since 1905, the Bank of Dudley is looking forward to its second century of community banking. Drop in today to any of our 5 locations: Jeffersonville, Dudley, East Dublin, Veterans Boulevard, and downtown Dublin. Bank of Dudley, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender. Portions of this program are brought to you by CurePoint Cancer Treatment, 2406 Bellevue Road in Dublin. At CurePoint Cancer Treatment, we're bringing you state-of-the-art cancer treatment right here at home. CurePoint Cancer Treatment. Check us out on Facebook.
And Mr. Hilton and everyone here today, I want to say congratulations to you and thank you. Thank you again for your investment. Thank you for the jobs that are being provided. And I'm really excited to hear about the growth plans that you guys have here, and more importantly, your interest and involvement in workforce and technology. Thank you for all that you're doing, and thank you for all the things that you're going to do, and congratulations to you on that. And so on behalf of the Dublin-Lawrence Chamber of Commerce, we want to say thanks most of all for making today and every day a great day for business in Dublin-Lawrence County. And if you would at this time, help me welcome Mr. Roy Hilton.
Thank you, Heath. All right. I'd like to thank everyone for being here this morning, especially the City Council of East Dublin, Mayor Garnto and the council members, the Development Authority, John Danger with Stonehenge Capital, for helping make this a possibility. And I couldn't do any of this without my CFO, Spencer Tidings, and our General Manager, James Beasley, CSI General Manager, James Beasley. I appreciate y'all every day what you do. So thank you very much. We're excited. We're excited to be expanding here in East Dublin. We're excited for the new facility that's coming up and the new technologies and products that we'll be putting out of here. This is the first phase. If y'all, we're supposed to have a groundbreaking today. I think it's going to end up being a pond digging, but Lord willing, it'll cooperate and everything will get done. And like I said, I can't thank y'all enough. To all the employees of HeatSink, CSI, HS Management, HS Environmental Services, Protect Resourcing. Thank y'all for what y'all do, for putting up with me every day. Thanks.
First off, I have to start off with thanking Mr. Roy. Without Roy's dedication and everything he has put into this company, we would be not where we at. He has give up a lot. He has sacrificed a lot for all of us, and we all of us appreciate it a lot. The next thing is, Spencer, you've been with me from the beginning. Couldn't have done it without you. All the guys in the field, in the shop, y'all are what makes it go. Without y'all, we're nothing. Y'all actually do the work. I'm very proud of where we have come. I'm very proud of the employees we have had working with us. And we are growing, getting better day by day. For y'all that don't know what we do, we manufacture metal buildings. We do a lot of the Dollar Generals, Harbor Freights, that type of stuff. We'll do any residential building. But this facility that we build in here will increase our flow of work. We can ramp up to 4 or 5 buildings a month where we're producing 1.5 now. We'll be able to add 5 to 10 new employees within the first 2 years of being able to open this shop. So I appreciate everything you do. I appreciate everything that all the guys and ladies in the background that makes this happen. Thank y'all very much.
For all you that's been asking me what's going on at the old Choo Choo Supply Building, I have with me James Beasley. He is the general manager of CSI Custom Structures here in East Dublin. James, we've had a big crowd here today.
Yes, we have.
Ribbon cutting. actually, Roy said we actually was pond digging. Is that what we've been doing?
Pretty much, because the weather won't let us do anything else.
Okay, tell me, we're standing in the middle of this old choo-choo building. What's happening here?
The choo-choo building will actually be for our substation line, and we'll build control panels here and process control panels to go out into the substations. That's what this whole building will be used for.
Okay, how many square feet?
This is 31,000 square feet.
Okay, and you're moving. We had the pond digging out here. We threw some dirt. What's happening on this end?
The new building will be a 32,000 square foot building. It will be a fab shop for CSI to process Dollar Generals, O'Reilly's, that kind of box kits that we can sell in any kind of pole barns or any type of buildings that a person would want at their house.
So what you're saying is the prefab, you will build the parts here and then ship them to the site where a Dollar General, O'Reilly, or could be a Walmart, anything.
Right. We actually put the whole kit, we build the kit, put it together here, ship it to site, and then one of our crews goes and installs the kit on site.
Just put it together.
Yep, just put it together.
So y'all do the hard work here, right?
Right, right, yeah. Which our field crews does a great job of putting them up.
What is it like, and I've met a lot of employees, I know a lot of people work for Heat Sink or Custom Structures or one of the companies. What is it like working for Custom Structures and Roy Hilton?
Roy Hilton is probably the second best man I ever worked for in my life. Very understanding, great guy. He sacrifices a lot for us to get where we need to go.
Yeah.
Can't ask for any better.
And with over 200 employees, phenomenal. Boy from Rockledge who lives on the eastern part of Orange County to open his corporate office in East Dublin. That says a lot about his values, don't it?
Yes, it does.
Okay, tell me, we talked about O'Reilly's and Dollar Generals, things like that. What about the individual? We're looking at some pictures while we talk here, but y'all can build a house?
Yes.
You can build a barn. You can tell us about that.
Anything that you can design, anything that you can give me a footprint on, we can design and build. We have the newest CAD program they are with 3D graphics. So if you send me a footprint of what size building you want, we can supply that building to you, bring you in, let you walk through your new building through the 3D graphics and look at the whole building before you ever sign the contract, which very few people are allowed to do that.
Brag on your employees for a minute. You got some great employees, don't you?
Yes, I have a bunch of great employees. Could not get the job done without the employees. My right-hand man, Graham Stevenson, Robert Stevenson, he is my plant manager. Could not do it without him. Not taking anything away from anyone else. My field superintendent, my project manager, Jeremy Turner, Jeremy Wilcher, they keep everything going.
Yeah. Now, y'all are pretty spread out. I know you're here, this part of the company, but y'all do work all over the southeast, don't you?
That is correct. We're leaving Sunday, going to Granite Falls, North Carolina. The next Sunday, we're leaving going to Gardner, South Carolina. Then we got one coming up in Sonoya. We got two coming up in Alabama. So, I mean, pretty much anywhere we need to go.
What projects are those?
O'Reilly's, Harbor Freights, and Dollar Generals.
Okay. What do you look for? Roy and I were talking earlier. You're always looking for skilled labor. What do you look for in an employee? For somebody watching now that may want to move up to a better job or need a job, what do you look for at Custom Structures in an employee?
Someone that will come to work every day and be on time, first thing. Someone don't mind putting their cell phone down, not playing on their cell phone. But seriously, qualified welders. We need qualified welders all the time.
Okay.
And we need anyone that has any experience putting up metal buildings.
Okay. Y'all heard it. If you're one of those people, You can apply right here in East Dublin. Can you go online and apply?
Yes, you can go to our website. We have a place on our website that you can apply for a job.
Okay, make it easy. So James Beasley, he's the general manager at Custom Structures here in East Dublin. And you've just watched the festivities here today, and you see the crowd behind us. A lot of people are supporting y'all. You could see by the people here today, we probably had 150 people here
Yes,
today.
sir.
So you see the kind of support that you're getting from your community.
Yes, sir. It's awesome. It's great.
Okay, James, thank you so much. And thank you for joining us today right here on TV 35.
Hi, I'm Jason Locke. I'm asking for your vote for Lawrence County Probate Judge. I am a lifelong resident of Lawrence County. My family and I are active members of Dudley Baptist Church, and I'm currently the mayor of the city of Dudley. I've been a board member of the Boys and Girls Club. I'm a former president and continue to serve as a board member of Dublin Lawrence Crime Stoppers. I serve on the school council for West Lawrence High School. I'm an active exchangeite, and I've been the president of Dudley Little League since 2011. I seek God's will every day for my life. My education in criminal justice, my 20 years of experience in municipal through superior court systems throughout the area, and my extensive community involvement has allowed me to meet many people and make a difference in many lives. Leadership is about relationships. I promise to serve with wisdom and integrity. I'm Jason Locke, and I want to be your next Lawrence County Probate Judge.